Hello everyone and welcome back to another Godot tutorial. And in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a main menu for your game using Godot. Actually it's going to be a very basic menu that contains two buttons, one for starting the game and the other for quitting the game. So let's start by creating the main scene. It's going to be a 2D scene. Let's rename it to main level. And I'm gonna add a label for this scene. So this label will contain a text. For example, this is the main level scene. And down in the theme overrides, I'm gonna go to fonts and click on new dynamic font. And in the font data, I'm gonna click and drag this font file. Actually, I'm gonna leave a link in the description from where you can download multiple fonts that you can use in your Godot project. Now I'm gonna change the font size to 48 and center this text. Now save it, and now I'm gonna add a new scene. This scene is going to be a user interface that will contain the main menu, and in the main menu I'm gonna add a color rectangle that is going to be the background of the menu, and in the layout click on for rectangle, and here we can change the color. So I'm gonna select this color. Now I'm gonna add a VBox container that will contain a button. This button is going to be the new game button, and we have text of new game. And again, down here in the theme overrides, we need to create a new dynamic font. Click and drag this file. I'm going to change the font size to 52, and I'm going to center this VBox like this and add some styling to the button. So go to style. In normal I'm going to select new style box empty, so I remove the background color, and in hover I'm going to add a black color. So let's run the game. Let me save the main menu first and select main menu when run the game. Now as you can see, when we hover on this button, you can see this background color. Now I'm gonna add or duplicate this button, rename it to quit button, and change the text to quit. Now when we run the game and click on those buttons, nothing is happening. And for this I'm gonna add a script for the main menu node, and here I'm gonna declare an export variable called main level with a type of packet scene. And as you can see in the main menu inspector, you can see that we have main level property, and here we're going to click and drag the main level scene and go to the new game button and the node. I'm going to connect a signal to it, pressed signal, and connect it to the main menu script. Now here I'm going to type get tree change scene to main level. And in the quit button, we're going to connect a pressed signal also. And here we're going to type get tree quit. Now let's run the game. So when we click on the new game button, we can see that we have changed the scene to the main level scene. And when we click on the quit button, we quit the game. So this is it for this short tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching, and see you all later.